All right, viewers, Bihar is now passé. The spotlight where it comes down to politics is the state of West Bengal. Yesterday, we had the SIR that kicked off in state of West Bengal with the Chief Election Commission there. And today, we've seen once again a massive confrontation that has been building up in days where West Bengal is concerned. The governor's office versus the government of TMC. Primarily, you have Mr. Anand Bose, who's the governor of West Bengal, taking on Kalyan Banerjee, one of the ministers in Mamata Banerjee's cabinet, on the premise where Kalyan Banerjee made a controversial statement saying arms and ammunition is being distributed from the Raj Bhavan itself to the supporters of the BJP. Well, the governor has not taken kindly to that. He's asked for an FIR to be lodged against Mr. Kalyan Banerjee and also unprecedentedly ordered search operations inside Raj Bhavan.
Another face-off between West Bengal Governor Anand Bose and the Trinamool Congress. TMC MP Kalyan Banerjee is under police investigation after his explosive allegation that weapons are being stockpiled inside Raj Bhavan. The TMC MP has been booked for defamation, assaulting the governor with intent to compel or restrain the exercise of any lawful power, endangering the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India, promoting enmity between groups and misleading people. These charges are non-bailable and the maximum punishment for the offences is 7 years. It was this statement that triggered the case.
রাজ্যপালকে আগে বলুন যে রাজ্যপালের ভবনে যেন বিজেপির সমস্ত ক্রিমিনালদের যেন রাজভবনে না রাখে। ওই রাজভবনে বসে ক্রিমিনালদের রাখছেন আর সবাইকে একটা করে বন্দুক দিচ্ছেন আর বোমা দিচ্ছেন, মেরে এসো তৃণমূলের লোকেদের, আপনি আগে সব এগুলো বন্ধ করুন।
Reacting to the FIR, Kalyan Banerjee said the governor is angry with him.
उन्होंने पर्सनल लेगा तो हम भी लेगा। खेला हम उससे ज्यादा जानते हैं। उनको बहुत क्रोध हुआ जब उन्होंने वाइस चांसलर अपॉइंटमेंट किया ना, उसका नजदीक आदमी और महिला लोग को उस टाइम हम लड़ा था उसका अगेंस्ट में।
The governor then led a search operation at the Raj Bhavan premises to counter the MP's allegations.
Searching for arms and ammunition in the Raj Bhavan is like a blind man searching in the dark, a black cat which is not there.
One remark, one FIR, and the political friction between Raj Bhavan and ruling TMC has once again taken center stage. Bureau Report, India Today.